Welcome back to the channel. For India to become a global digital economy platform, the country needs to quickly fix its inadequate and suboptimal infrastructure and define a strong, robust data security measures. As India is the largest and the fastest growing digital economy in the world, the digital banking space is projected to grow with a compound annual growth rate of 27% during 2020 to 2025 during this 5 years tenure. The Digital India mission is to establish the faceless, cashless, paperless society. We shall not settle for the less. It's gratifying to cast a fleeting glance to our remarkable progress and the promising path forward. The cashless India is incredible journey. Over 80% of Indians have the bank account, while not all of them are actively being used. It is a milestone that the first step of 42 crore bank account has been opened. As an Indians, now we appreciate that digital financial inclusion can ease many a burden. Even the humble street vendor realize in the country today. India is the third largest economy in the purchasing power parity, and in 2021 their cash calculating in our economy has gone up to 14.7%. The cashless economy is an excellent engine for the economic growth. Moreover, the cashless transaction constitute the powerful weapon for the government to fight the corruption and the theft. Additionally, all recorded and the legal transaction will count and contribute to our GDP. The greater penetration of the digital banking and the mobile payment service offers a financial security. The cash at home makes it susceptible to the theft, invasion of the privacy and the damage. Without the online banking, the many individuals fall prey to the money lenders and loan shark. Access to a basic financial account is not enough. Many people lack the wider services like savings account, loans, insurance, and more other benefits. For a people, it will be easier to get loans with a digital trail to help bank assess those credit risk. The vulnerable demographics like a woman, a person with disability, and the elderly will benefit for not having to visit a physical bank for each transaction he made. Digital payments can also reduce the cost of financial services by as much as 80 to 90%. The unified payment interface is an uplifting payment solution in India and become a game changer for the Indian digital revolution. Indian consumers love the convenience of the UPI applications. Now, a tailor or a owner or the maid can get the paid in the blink of an eye, even during a lockdowns and the other restriction, quite easily. The number of UPI transactions in India hits a record all-time high with, according to the report, there's 110% higher than the previous transaction recorded in the last year. The UPI allows one to use the mobile number and the smartphone for the financial transaction. We needed a bank account number, the branch, the IFSC code, other information to transfer the money with ease. And the UPI, we have a near instant money transfer. There is the other factor boosting the UPI transaction is the decision by the center to eliminate the merchant discount rates on UPI and RuPay. Undoubtedly, the banking in India is progressing speedily towards the increased digital payments. Sure, the National Payment Corporation of India is still available and Indian can make those basic transactions using regular mobile phones by dialing it. But low-cost smartphone will hit the market soon, and the 30 crore individuals still on the 2G plan and more will flock towards the low-cost smartphones. This will demands will give the mobile internet and app-based financial services sector is a huge boost in the future. India is Asia's #1 fintech investment hub. India has the highest investment in the fintech sector, more than China actually, and the Indian fintech market is estimated to be 12 lakh crore by 2025. Is an estimated report that the fintech refer to any technology designed to improve and automate the delivery and the use of financial services, and the 67% of the 67% of the fintech companies in India were set up in the last 5 years. India's most popular digital-only payment gateways like PhonePe, Bheem, Paytm, MobiKwik, and many other global fintech giants, including Google Pay, Amazon Pay, and WhatsApp Pay, are executed in the UPI stack for the Indian digital economy platform, and it proves that the UPI platform is world class and has a robust capability to scale and maintain the efficiency. Another landmark in Indian digital banking space was the RBI's decision to allow the payment related data to be stored in the cloud platform. Being the first means not competing with the other countries, the way forward to a cashless India ambition, with the race against internal hurdles that block the country from reaching every citizen. The infrastructure, mobile internet service, cyber security, awareness, and reach across India has been improved. It can meet the growing demand for the digital financial services and the economic growth. India needs to step on the accelerator and introduce the digital banking and mobile payment to the millions of customers of unserved and undeserved people across the nation. The country also needs to speed up the penetration of the mobile banking services to every corner of the country, the boost of infrastructure, secure payments, and improve the quality experience of the transaction. The biggest challenge to improve the infrastructure is and to achieving a cashless India is inadequate. And the digital economy can contribute to the 20% or 75 lakh crore of the total economy and create a 6.5 crore new jobs. While broadband penetration is critical to the India's economic development, only 2.3 crores Indians are aware internet subscribers. Creating 1 crore public Wi-Fi hotspot under the government scheme will offer the significant relief to the digital banking sector. This effort will be effective, the low-cost solution for the common people, and even the 1 crore number is a low target for India. It is a good start, but currently the country has less than 3% of the global average of the hotspot per citizen. Additionally, the satellite communication can play a significant role in the remote areas. The central government began permitting the private players in space-related activities. This step is a giant leap forward to getting the internet in the hands of every people. Liberalized licensing and the regulatory light policies will boost the free market competition and spread the mobile communication across the country. If infrastructure, mobile internet service, cyber securities to reach across all the people in the country, it can meet the growing demand for digital financial services and spark the economic growth in the future. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.